Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to turn on the hotspot on iPhone. First, click on Settings, then return to this settings page and look for Personal Hotspot. As you see, it is turned off. To turn it on, click on it. And here, next to allow others to join, enable this option like this, and now your iPhone hotspot is enabled and others can join your Wi-Fi hotspot by filling this password. And of course, you can edit this password and click on check. This way, this is your new hotspot Wi-Fi password. And this is how to enable or turn on the hotspot on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.